It's easy to use PicSurve. Create your account on PicSurve.com and log in to PicSurve. Summary of all surveys are available on Dashboard. Projects tab is to maintain projects. Task List tab is to maintain tasks of projects. Different survey sites are good examples of tasks. Report tab will show reports of submitted surveys with image and actual location. On Projects tab, click Add New Project. Enter project name and description. New Campaign is a good example of a project. Click on Task List tab and click Add New Task to add task for a project. Select the created project, provide task name, task detail, and click Save. On Task List, click Assign Task to Users and provide email and assign task. Invited user will receive email invitation to create accounts with app downloaded links. Mobile app is available on Android and iPhone stores. Invited user will log in the app and will see project list. Select a project and select a task to perform survey. Survey user will take picture and provide feedback and submit. User can use Upload Later option to submit later when internet is available. If you have any queries, please write to info@picsurve.com.